Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can upload your uh, class video or any video into your Google Drive. So first time you are using Google Drive and you don't know how to upload, so this video for you as a beginner. So this is my class video. Here you can see it's type MP4, size 1.60 GB and length 37 minutes 05 seconds. Okay, that's mean it's a 1.60 GB and 37 minutes long video. This is the long video. So as you know, if you are doing a YouTube business, so maybe you need some space where you need send some file to your editors. Okay, so sometimes you need to upload this into your Google folder. So it's 1.60. So let's go back to our Gmail account, and here you can see it's a Google Apps. Click on Google Apps and let's click on Drive. Okay, so in Drive section you can create. Okay, so into Drive. Okay, so in Drive section, in Drive section you can create multiple folders. So I have already a folders. It's called AI skills for future. It's my tutorials where I already upload maybe 9 classes already uploaded. Perfect. And this would be the 10th class. Okay, so in this folder I want to upload this class video. Okay, so let's upload the video. So there are two ways you can upload. Just click on write and you can just directly upload file and then select your video. That's it, and open. And you can see uploading one item, and you will check the minute left. That's mean it's counting right now. 32 31 minute left. Okay, 34 sometimes. So it depends on your uh, Google Drive folder space and also your internet connection speed. Okay, so it will take some times because it's a long file. As you can see, it's a 1.60 GB, so it's a long file, so it will take some time. Okay, and as you know that it's a free storage right now. I am using in Google 15 GB. Okay, so for instead of on Gmail account you can use 15 GB. That's mean you will get 15 GB storage, so that you can store your videos and you can send to your favorite person or your editors or your business partner, whatever it is. Okay, so this is how you can upload. And the another method is just drag and drop. So just drag and drop. Okay, so you can drag this into this folder or drive. That's it. You can see. So this is how upload your long video into your Google Drive. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you find this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so you never miss the updated video. So thanks for watching. I'm Raihan signing out here, and see you in the next video.